Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I want to do a product comparison for you guys on two Drolet EPA wood stoves. This model here is going to be the Deco II, and featured over here we have the Legend 3 series. So the Deco II I would say is more like a medium stove. It heats 1,800 square feet. The Legend 3 I would put into the large wood stove category, which heats up to 2,300 square feet. Now, while the Legend 3 does have the larger firebox at 3.3 cubic feet, it'll hold about a 19-inch log. You could fit a 20-inch log actually in the box, but it's not going to fit down into the fire brick. And when the log gets too close to the glass, sometimes that can cause a dirty burning glass, but that would be the maximum. The Deco 2 is going to fit an 18-inch log. Now on this model, it's going to be side to side, loading the logs rather than front to back. Whereas this Legend 3 comfortably fits a 19-inch log and a maximum up to 20 from front to back inside the firebox. Again, both models are EPA 2020 approved. However, unfortunately, neither model qualifies for the tax credit. The Deco II series is definitely much more contemporary with the square kind of boxy look. It has the extra log storage located underneath the unit. This one I would say is more traditional. It's got the arch style door with the arch style cast iron legs. Both models are going to be top vent 6-inch flues, and both models are going to be outside air capable, mobile home approved, and blower attachments available as well. Here's going to be up close the Deco II. Simple lines on the stove. The Deco is not really the convection style with the air outlets like the Legend has. So this is definitely going to convect more heat and with that added airspace there. Both models are going to have this kind of curvature off the heat shield. So this helps to send that heat that's coming off the back of the stove across the cooktop and on out. Nice cast iron details here. Even though it's an economy model, the legs are still curved, which looks really nice. Like the weight of this Legend stove is like 463 pounds. So like that's pretty darn solid. I think this stove is priced at like $1,700 right now. This Deco runs about $400 cheaper. I really hope that you guys found this product overview helpful. If you guys like the videos, don't forget, give them a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.